Let's talk about camping. Camping means sleeping outdoors close to nature. Many campsites sit peacefully near a lake or river. Hiking trails wind through the quiet forest. Fresh air fills your lungs on a long hike. People carry all their supplies in a large backpack. Campers set up a tent in a forest or a field. At night, the whole sky fills with bright stars. A warm sleeping bag keeps you cozy at night. A crackling campfire gives warmth and soft light. Families happily roast marshmallows over the fire. Campers cook simple, tasty meals outside. A cooler keeps food and drinks nice and cold. A small flashlight helps you see in the dark. Birds and insects make gentle, quiet nighttime sounds. Camping in Japan is now very popular in summer. Mountain campsites feel cool, fresh, and peaceful. Some people now prefer glamping instead of regular camping. Glamping offers real comfort with a natural feel. Heavy rain can make camping much more difficult. Good gear keeps campers dry, warm, and safe. Campers carefully pack everything into their car or bags. Cleaning up the campsite always matters after a trip. Camping quietly teaches patience and teamwork. Waking up to soft birdsong feels calm and simple. Camping brings people closer to nature. A weekend camping trip always feels refreshing and fun.